doing? Okay, well, can you talk to the street without sitting in the street? All right, I need you to get out of the road. No, we gotta do it now. You're blocking traffic.
Traffic is blocking me.
No, you're blocking traffic, buddy.
Control 139, he's in a order for you.
Let's get up and walk over to the sidewalk.
10-4, 11333.
You hear me? You need to get up and walk to the sidewalk, man. Hey, what's your name?
You took my name.
You still got a name.
I got no name.
What's your wristband say? What's your wristband say?
North 2. East 1.
Control 128, can you copy one?
128.
Last name, first name, date of birth. Black male, it's on the wristband from the hospital he's wearing. Said he's talking to the street.
Okay.
And he doesn't want to get out of the intersection because he's not done.
Hey, sir, how you doing? Sir, how you doing?
Doing great, man. Y'all here, y'all want to be out job and protect these people instead of letting them be in harm's way. Nobody doing their job, so I guess I got to do everybody's job.
Why, what you mean?
Take care of these innocent lives that been
You said doing what?
Take care of these innocent lives that been neglected.
Oh, we trying. Can you do me a favor? Can we talk over there?
I ain't really much words.
We don't want you to get hit, man. We're trying to protect your life.
I already been hit by a car.
But we don't want you to get ran over and get killed, man.
I already died.
143 and 1337.
What's your name? What's his name? What would you like for me to call you, sir? Huh? Mr.
Control 128. Good. Okay, I checked the reports and he's had a couple of reports back in 2020.
Mr. Can we go over here and have a seat so we can talk and get out the way?
We got almost looks like a puzzle.
I know it does.
Yeah.
You hear it?
Hear what?
Paper on the sidewalk.
I can hear a lot of cars coming at us.
You can't hear the paper on the sidewalk?
You want to go to the sidewalk? I do.
Ain't nobody put me on the sidewalk. I'm already on the sidewalk.
Well, you're in the middle of the street, sir.
They see me right here, they can go around.
I'll go
Yeah,
over
but
here
we
to the
don't
sidewalk.
want you to get hit though, man. We'll go talk to you over here.
You want me to help you pick that up?
Yeah,
Okay. You going over here to the sidewalk?
yeah, I'm about to go out the way so y'all can move along.
Okay, good. Good. You want to walk over here with me?
No, you can stay where you at. I'm walking where I want to go.
Okay, I'll keep my space. We just got to keep you over here.
12 feet.
12 feet?
12 feet.
12 feet. I'll
That's
do that.
smart because they only had 6 feet for COVID, so you cool.
That's even better.
12 feet.
Ooh. You want me to go get you something to eat from the gas station?
I already got it out. Y'all ain't paid me.
Huh?
Y'all ain't gave me back for my shit. Y'all ain't gave me no money.
brother.
Let me get you. Y'all lied to the people. Y'all hurt the innocent motherfucking creatures, the animals. Y'all the life. Y'all the criminals.
Be his little pen too. Little stick.
Yeah.
But you said you good now.
Yeah, put you in handcuffs.
You gotta put me-
Relax.
I don't have
Just
no
relax.
feelings.
Just watch that.
Just
Hold
relax.
on, slow down. You
Just
violate my
let
rights.
him put your hand. We're not
Hold
gonna
hold
hurt
the
you.
fuck on.
Just hold on.
I'm about to
Put
go
your
in the
hands behind
store.
your
What the
back.
fuck are you
No,
doing?
Put your hands behind your back. You're doing good. You're doing good. Good work.
You're making good choices, man.
Nice.
Got him, boss?
Thank you.
Yeah, I smell the gas.
What the fuck you put me in the handcuff for?
Well, we're worried about
Lock
you.
up my people. National treasure.
Okay.
Come on, let's go.
All right. Oh, be careful. Yeah, those are my shirts. Thank you for being so cooperative too. We were really worried about you. Yeah.
I'm okay.
Mhm.